Hi angels, hi my loves, it's Elfie Lux Girl back again with another video. So in today's video, I have a bag from the Vintage Coach Originals line, but it's the Vintage Coach version of it, but it's from the Coach Originals line that I want to share with you guys today. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And at the end of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So this is the bag, you guys, that I want to share with you guys today. And basically it's the Vintage Coach Rambler bag. And Coach redid these bags in a line called the Originals currently that's being sold in stores. And I believe it's $5.95, something like that, $4.95. That's the price for these bags in store right now. So these are the vintage version of the Vintage Coach Rambler bag. And if you're interested in hearing about these beauties, then go ahead and keep on watching. So what we have here is, this is the black version. I really like the black version. I like my brown one too, but the reason I like the black one is because I don't know what it is. I don't know if maybe when they dye the bag, you notice I'm still working on this brown one. This black one is finished because I go ahead and I condition them and try to restore them and make them okay enough for my collection. But the brown one, if you notice, it's still a little bit shiny and polished. Whereas the black one, the leather on the black one, you guys, is just so supple and soft and buttery. And I really, I like black, brown, and red vintage Coach bags. However, I think I really, really like the black, the way the leather is on the vintage black bags the best. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I do still have it stuffed right now. But you guys, this bag, let me tell you something about this bag. The Vintage Coach version of the Rambler bag, the original vintage Rambler bags, they really pack a punch. I was trying to think of how to describe it to you guys, and the only thing that I can come up with is, if you think of something small that can hang with something big, like a little French bulldog or a little Chihuahua, you know how a little French bulldog or a little Chihuahua can hang with a big dog, can hang with a Doberman or with a German Shepherd? That's the Rambler. It packs, it's little, but it packs a big punch. It's just like a little hamburger, like a little meaty hamburger, you guys. This bag can hold a lot. First of all, it has this front pocket that's very forgiving. You see how much that front pocket can expand? It's not like on some bags where they have a front pocket and the front pocket will be like the way the back pocket is here, how it doesn't expand very much. Baby, that's not what you're gonna get with this bag. With this bag, you see how much? I would say this front pocket can expand for about an inch away from, or maybe even more at the top, a little less at the bottom, but you get a lot of space to where your keys can fit in here, your cell phone can fit in here. I mean, there's just so much that you can pack in this envelope front pocket that's just so very forgiving. You don't get that with a lot of other bags. And then you still have let me go ahead and unstuff her so I could show you guys. You still have a lot of space on the interior of the bag as well. You still have a whole lot of space in there, and you have another back pocket up against the back wall. And then of course, like I said, you have this back pocket that you can slide your keys or your cell phone in. But that front pocket really makes a difference, you guys, because you get a lot of space there that you can put something in. So this is the Vintage Coach Rambler, as I stated, and these bags are being sold currently online for much more. And all I can say is, I'm a girl that likes to save a buck, that likes to save a little bit. So if you're interested in the Vintage Coach Rambler on, the originals that they have for sale right now on the website or in the stores for Coach, I'm not knocking them. The new version is very nice as well, and they have a very pretty hibiscus, like berry pink color, and then they have a beautiful gray that's like a pewter heather gray color, and then they have other colors, the black and the brown as well. But I mean, the vintage version of the bag, you guys, try to, if possible, look for it on the secondary market, the way that I did, because I try to make my collecting affordable. And definitely I recommend this little bag right here because it's small, but it could hang with the stewardess bag. It can hang with the larger bags. Like today I have my Rambler, you know, today I have my Manor with me, my vintage Coach Manor, but this little Rambler is such a little fighter, you guys. In my opinion, it can hold its own with a larger bag. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to discuss these vintage Coach Rambler bags. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. If you have any comments about the vintage Coach bags, go ahead and leave them for me down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video.